Germany just shocked the world with what they are building. While the rest of the world is still arguing about what the future might look like, Germany quietly started building it. Hey everyone, imagine a world where innovation isn't just talk, it's happening today. Germany isn't waiting for tomorrow. They're engineering solutions that solve real problems, from saving lives to slashing pollution. And get this, it's all real, no sci-fi hype. Stick around because by the end, you'll wonder why every country isn't doing this. Let's dive in. First up, think about those brutal winters where homelessness turns deadly. In the US, we see people freezing on sidewalks every year. Germany said, not on our watch. In Munich, they've rolled out emergency sleeping pods. Spot a green light, step inside, no questions, no paperwork. It's got a cozy bed, air sensors for safety, and 0 cameras for privacy. Come morning, support teams check in and link folks to real housing. It's not a fix-all, but it's survival with dignity. And here's the kicker, it screams, you matter. But wait, what if tech could prevent crises before they hit? Shift gears to medical emergencies. Picture this, you're at the dock, they draw blood, but traffic jams mean delays that ruin samples and waste precious time. Lives hang in the balance. Germany flipped the script with lab-fly drones in Berlin. These aren't your average buzzers, they're medical-grade beasts flying fixed routes, zipping samples 25 kilometers in just 12 minutes. Carry up to 7 liters, multiple motors for failover, even a parachute for emergencies. No traffic snarls, just speed that saves lives. But hold on, because Germany's not done revolutionizing how we move things. Ever toss a bottle and think, what a waste? Germany turns trash into cash. Drop empties into supermarket machines. They scan, count, and pay you 8 to 25 cents each. It's simple. Return for your deposit. Boom, 95% recycling rate, no guilt trips, just smart incentives. Landfills. Not here. While we're drowning in plastic, Germany's pockets are fuller and planet cleaner. But what if we applied that genius to housing? Housing shortages are everywhere, right? Costs skyrocket, builds drag on. Germany? They're 3D printing homes. In Beckham, a massive printer layers concrete like a beast 160 square meters, 2 stories, sleek curves. Done in 8 months, 30% faster, 10% cheaper, 30% less pollution. No tired crews, no errors, just precision. Imagine affordable homes popping up overnight. Crazy? It's real. But Germany's roads? They're next level wild. Roads that drink water, yeah, you heard that. Porous asphalt soaks up rain like a sponge, filtering it to recharge groundwater. Handles 4 tons per minute in storms. While US cities flood and rack up billions in damage, Germany's streets stay dry with 66,000 kilometers of drainage pipes, enough to circle Earth. Climate change? They're fighting it one road at a time. But that's tame compared to what comes next. What if highways powered trucks on the go? Enter Germany's e-highway on the A5 Autobahn between Frankfurt Airport and Darmstadt. Overhead lines like train tech trucks hook up with pantographs, charge at 90 kilometers per hour, 77% efficient, beats batteries or hydrogen. By 2030, 4,000 kilometers planned, slashing pollution from 2.2 million diesel-guzzling trucks. Roads aren't just paths, they're power sources. And for cars, even better. Wireless charging roads coils under asphalt zap energy to your AV as you drive. No stops, smaller batteries, lighter cars, cheaper rides. Cross Europe without plugging in. Possible now. While we're debating EVs, Germany's testing it live. But pedestrians? They've got hacks too. Textured, color-changing pavements in Augsburg red stops you. Green goes even if you're glued to your phone. Safety baked in. Now, education's evolving fast. At Wilhelmshaven High in Delmenhorst, meet Captiva, humanoid robot teaching classes. Speaks 5 languages, tracks eyes, adjusts personality per subject. Handles lectures, debates logic fairly, never tires. Teachers focus on hard stuff. Robots nail the reps. German kids are ahead while we debate AI fears. But robots aren't just teaching, they're invading homes and factories. In Mettmann, Neurorobotics 4NE1 humanoid. 170 centimeters, voice recognizing, touchless safety tech. Irons clothes, preps food, senses hidden people. Partnered with NVIDIA for smarter, safer bots. Then Agile 1 for factories, 174 centimeters, lifts 20 kilograms, walks 7.2 kilometers per hour. Blinking eyes, chest display. Tactile hands for precision like picking screws or using tools. Trustworthy, not creepy. For homes, Mia robot unloads dishwashers, vacuums, monitors health perfect for seniors. Learns tasks autonomously. And to train them? Neura Gym, where bots practice real-world skills, share data instantly. One masters a task, all level up. Germany's building a robot army that's helpful, not Hollywood scary. Transport gets weirder. Monocab OWL, self-driving pod on one rail, never tips. Sensors galore for safety. Connects remote villages, cheap better schools, jobs, care without big infra costs, impossible. Germany's testing it. Then the Schweben in Wuppertal hanging train from 1901 still runs. Glides 12 meters over rivers, stable, flood-proof. Adapted to tough terrain, carries 80,000 daily. Smart engineering wins, under rivers. SuedLink power cable tunnels wind energy north to south. 700 kilometers, 4 gigawatts for 10 million homes. Drilling under the Elbe with a 190 meters machine done by 2028. Clean energy flows everywhere. Germany's proving size doesn't matter, 83 million people out innovating giants. Why? Mindset. They build, don't debate. What's holding back the US? Share below, like if this blew your mind, subscribe Mind Facts for more game-changing tech insights. See you next time.